In this video, let's take a look at the way that you download movies and shows on Netflix. If you're trying to watch Netflix even when you don't have internet connection, so you want to download them prior, in today's video, let me show you how. Let's head over to the app of Netflix. Now it's going to be a similar process if you're using a PC or a laptop as well. Once you're inside of the app of Netflix, you just want to find the movie or the show that you're trying to download. Once you're inside of a particular show or a movie, you'll straight away see a section which says download. If it's a movie, you just need to tap on download once and the entire movie will be downloaded. But in case if it is a series or a show, it will have multiple seasons and multiple episodes. So either you can download them individually or just tap on the download season right here. So the entire season will be downloaded. If you want to download individual episodes, you will have the downloads arrow, which is the downloads button on the right hand side of each episode. You just need to tap on that option and all of those movies or TV shows will be downloaded onto your device. This way you'll be able to watch Netflix even when you don't have internet connection. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.